like I said before, the return to play form signed by a physician stating that your athlete's ready to go. They should have at least 95% of their range of motion. If they're just having a little bit of pain at the end of range of motion, and this is what the tape job is supposed to stop, the end of the hyperextension mechanism. So put your fan on and just put one anchor on to hold the top end away. So on the wrist part, you'd anchor that down and then hold it on and get them to extend. Is that okay right there? Yeah. Okay, so what you're trying to do is keep them from that painful range. If they're painful right at the very end, you just want to stop that very end range, okay? And if that's fine, then they would get their hand